Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Firoza Qureshi, your math mentor. In lesson 1, we learned about multiples and factors. Today in lesson 2, we will learn about common multiples and the least common multiple. Lesson 2, common multiples and least common multiple. Before we jump into common multiples, let's quickly recall what multiples are. Multiples of a number are what you get when you multiply it by 1, 2, 3 and so on. Look at the blackboard. Multiples of 3 and 4. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and it goes on. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and it goes on. Notice that both lists have 12. That means 12 is a common multiple of 3 and 4. Common multiples. A common multiple is a number that two or more numbers share in their list of multiples. Let's see an example. Example 1. Find the first two common multiples of 3 and 5. Let's look at the multiples of 3 and 5 in a table. Multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. Now look which numbers appear in both lists. 15, 30, 'So the common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15 and 30. Now see the example 2. Find the first three common multiples of 4 and 6. Look at the blackboard. Multiples of 4 and 6 are. Now look which numbers are appearing in both lists. 12, 24, 36. So the first three common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and 36. Now I will show you easy trick for common multiples. For example, find the common multiples of 8 and 12. Look at the blackboard. Here bigger number is 12. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 72 and it goes on. Now check the divisibility by 8. 24 divided by 8 equal 3. 48 divided by 8 equal 6. 72 divided by 8 equal 9. So the common multiples equal 24, 48, 72 and it goes on. It's a quick trick is to look at the biggest numbers, multiples. No need to write both lists. Now that we know how to find common multiples, let's move on to the lowest common multiple, which is the smallest number they both share. The lowest common multiple is the smallest number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers. Now let's look at the first example of LCM. Find LCM of 6 and 8. Look at the blackboard, multiples of 6 and multiples of 8. Now you can find the common multiples. 24, 48. So the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. Now let's see the next example. Find LCM of 7 and 10. Look at the blackboard, multiples of 7 and multiples of 10. Here common multiples are 70. So the LCM of 7 and 10 is 70. Now we will find the LCM of 3 numbers. Look at the blackboard. Find the LCM of 2, 6 and 18. Multiples of 2, multiples of 6 and multiples of 18. Now here common multiples are 18, 18, 18. So the lowest common multiple of 2, 6 and 18 is 18. Here I will show you an easy trick to find LCM quickly. If two numbers have no common factor except 1, then their LCM is simply their product. For example, LCM of 4 and 9. Since 4 and 9 have no common factor except 1, so product equal 36 and LCM of 4 and 9 equal 36. Today we learned about common multiples and least common multiples. So try these examples at home. Number 1, find the first 3 common multiples of 4 and 8. Number 2, find LCM of 10 and 15. Number 3, find LCM of 2, 6 and 7. And write your answers in the comments, please. In our next class, we will solve word problems with LCM using real life examples and prime factorization. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next class. Thank you.